These are the top 5 selling neighborhoods in Eugene, Oregon. If you're considering a move to the Eugene area, we're here to help. We've got your back when it comes to making the move. Feel free to reach out anytime by call or text at this number. Okay, let's jump in. The first neighborhood we'll start with is North Gilham. Here you'll find a good mix of new and older homes with several new developments in this area with homes that have been selling quickly. Home prices in this area are typically on the higher side for pricing in Eugene. Many homes in North Gilham include fantastic views of the surrounding Coburg Hills. You also have several parks that are great for young families, including Creekside Park, Gilham Park, and Crescent Park. And then Cal Young Park has a track, a skate park, a basketball court, and a playground. In North Gilham, you have strong school options, including Gilham Elementary, which is one of 4J's largest elementary schools, and Cal Young Middle School. And you also have Eugene Christian School, which is very close by, and it's a private schooling option. The median home value in North Gilham is $620,000. The median age of a home is 31 years old, putting it around 1992. And about 9,200 people live in the North Gilham neighborhood. You'll find great shopping and eateries nearby, and North Gilham is convenient for those who like to stay active. The Eugene Swim and Tennis Club is where a lot of families hang out, with indoor and outdoor tennis courts, a playground, and a pool. It's close to the Beltline Highway for an easy commute across town, and it's within 10 minutes of the University of Oregon. Moving on to the Cal Young neighborhood, it's a great area for young families as well as young professionals. In Cal Young, you'll find primarily single-family dwellings with many duplexes and condos in this area as well. It's very centrally located, but with that, Coburg Road can be congested and it's a busy area most of the day. It's a well-established neighborhood with plenty of great locations for neighborhood walks and in close proximity to many fitness studios and the Oakway Golf Course. Several benefits to living in Cal Young include the 4J school district that is sought after, including Sheldon High School, which is known for its sports programs. And also you have the Oakway Center, which includes dining and shopping and has the Hyatt Place Hotel. In this area, you can also enjoy Alton Baker Park with Pre's Running Trail. You'll find the Autzen Stadium for Ducks football games, and also this area includes the Eugene Country Club for swimming and golfing. About 11,500 people live in Cal Young, and it encompasses several smaller communities within it. The median home value is $520,000. The median age of a home is 43 years old, putting it around 1980. Next up, we have the Goodpasture Island neighborhood. Here, you'll find many single-family, high-end homes that are priced on the upper end for Eugene and are part of an HOA. It's in close proximity to the highly rated private Marist Catholic High School, within walking distance for the neighborhood, a school known for academics and several competitive athletic teams. The median home value is $768,000. The median age of a home is around 30 years old, putting it around 1993. About 4,100 people live in the Goodpasture Island neighborhood. It's located next to the Willamette River, providing a level of privacy, and along the river you can enjoy walking, jogging, and cycling. In this area you also have the Valley River Center, which is the most expansive covered mall between Portland and San Francisco, for tons of restaurants, shopping options, and even car dealerships. Also, a few established and newer apartment buildings are found in this area to help meet the high need for rentals in Eugene. Next up, we have the Southwest Hills neighborhood. It's a highly desirable place to live with a mix of newer and older homes. Most of the area has a forested feel with tall trees and vegetation. If you live in this area, you'll see black-tailed deer and wild turkey on a regular basis. The median home value is $600,000. The median age of a home is 41 years old, putting it around 1982. About 5,400 people live in the Southwest Hills neighborhood. Some of the streets are steeper in this area, but you're rewarded with fantastic views. It's also in close proximity to Amazon Park for jogging paths, lap lanes for swimming, and a large playground for kids. Also, you'll find a favorite breakfast spot in this part of town is Hideaway Bakery. Additionally, you have phenomenal hiking in this area with Spencer Butte and the Ridgeline Trail. And don't forget about the Raptor Nature Center for bird viewing. Last but not least, we have the Churchill Neighborhood. It's close in proximity to the Southwest Hills, and the Churchill Neighborhood includes several newer developments in a hilly location in the southern part of the city. It's a bit further away from most other parts of Eugene, which provides more of a secluded feel, but still in vicinity of downtown Eugene and the shops along West 11th. When it comes to schools, Churchill High School is consistently ranked in the top 20 high schools for the state of Oregon. The median home value in this neighborhood is $496,000, and the median age of a home is 41 years old, putting it around 1982. Also, about 9,100 people live in the Churchill neighborhood. Additionally, it's close to the indoor trampoline park, which is an awesome spot for kids and young families, and it's close in proximity to Spencer Butte for fantastic hiking trails. In closing, the size of Eugene makes it a breeze to enjoy all that the city has to offer, regardless of where you choose to live. And also, if you're considering making a move, whether it's in the next 9 days or even 90 days, don't hesitate to reach out. We've got your back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content like this.